What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to talk about the overall cryptocurrency market and some news that dropped last night regarding the Biden administration completing or going forth with an executive order potentially as soon as next month. Now, remember, I always like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor, but rather I always try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And as you guys know, I'm currently in the LA area here in California, traveling to visit some family, and of course, trying to just make do with my current setup. So I'm only using my old snowball, as you can see. So let's go ahead and dive into the market conditions and everything else. So as you guys see, the cryptocurrency market, as it shows on the screen, continues to slide. I'm sure you're all aware because your portfolios are hurting as well as mine. In addition, though, what we need to realize is the overall stock market, right? The economy as a whole is starting to pull back significantly. And when I say that, I mean, again, all sorts of markets. So people are getting their money out of assets that are more speculative, tech stocks, non-tech stocks, crypto assets, and putting their money into something a little bit more steady. So we're seeing a lot of transfer from these markets to potential bonds and things like that are a lot more or a lot less volatile than what these markets look like. So right now, what I'm feeling is manipulation. And to be honest, with this coming out at such a rough time, with the current market saying Biden administration to release executive order on crypto as early as February, a report, this is the kind of thing that happens. When it rains, it pours, right? And they want you to sell. And if there's probably one video that I want every single person to watch this year in 2022, I think it would be this one. Because this is when the biggest transfer of wealth occurs. Look back to March 2020. That is when we saw the pandemic and the lockdown occur. Right? So when we went on lockdown here in the United States, the entire market crashed. Crypto, stocks, everything just plummeted almost instantaneously. Within a few days, we just saw a sea of red followed by a bloodbath, followed by another sea of red, followed by another bloodbath. And it seemed like it was never ending. But understand, there is always an end to any dip. It can't dip forever. So for those of you who have money set aside, make sure you use strategies, right? Not financial advice, but use strategies that will help you get some money in this kind of market situation. So with that being said, for me, dollar cost averaging, reducing your cost basis on your favorite tokens and your favorite stocks. You got to do it. For me, I know what assets I'm looking at. SHIB, ETH, Solana, Bitcoin even. Establishing some position in Bitcoin right now might make sense because right now Bitcoin, as you guys can see from its all-time high, it's down more than 50%. Ethereum down more than 50%. Solana, Cardano, everything is down more than 50% from all-time highs. So this is at a pivotal moment. And another strategy you could do, and I think this is the easiest one, is you could sell out your positions in maybe more speculative tokens that you had because those are down 50, 60, 70%. Put that money into something a little bit less risky like ETH or Bitcoin and watch it rebound or rise back up as the overall market picks back up. So again, this is a pivotal moment in time. This is a time where traders need to unite together. Retail investors need to understand what these bigger whales, these bigger hedge funds are doing, and they take advantage of it. Yes, there's a lot of shorting going on right now because people think that this bloodbath will continue on till at least the Fed speak maybe midweek, all the way through maybe the end of January. But for me, this is an opportunity to dollar cost average into your favorite assets. Do not let the sell pressure get to you. It's all a psychological game and manipulation will try to get you out of your positions. So do not fall for the manipulation. Do not sell things that you believe in. That, again, I know that sounds like direct financial advice, but you won't regret it as long as you truly have conviction in that asset. Because again, they want you to sell. That is ultimately what's going on. That's what these hedge funds want. That's what these higher ups want, is they want you to sell out of your position for a loss. And then they're going to scoop up those positions once this bloodbath ends. Do your research and due diligence always. Remember, everything I say is to hopefully protect myself in this kind of market situation and maybe protect some others. But it is your decision to make whether you buy, sell, or hold any asset. But right now, again, as I stated, this is a pivotal moment in the markets. Either you could run away for a loss or potentially make some significant gains over time. I appreciate you guys' support. Make sure you stop by the Moomoo link in the description to get your 5 free stocks when you deposit money into your Moomoo trading account. Remember, they're also offering a free share of AMC, and AMC has tanked quite significantly as well during this market correction. So you could be getting it at a really reasonable price, as we see that there's $145 calls on that stock. Appreciate you guys' support. Make sure you smash that like button and consider subscribing. So until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.